Children, greetings from Sarvodaya Central Vidyalaya. Trust all you are doing great. To commemorate Wildlife Week this year, our Nature Club has conducted during the first week of this month a very unique contest for our students titled BioMimics Parade Challenge 2020. The objective of this challenge was to make children observe and learn from nature and to break the monotony of sitting in front of system or laptop or tablet computer. Nature Club organized this contest to encourage children to take breaks in between and go to their backyard and listen to the birds sing, squirrels sharp cries and the like. BioMimics Parade Challenge 2020 gave you an opportunity to unearth hidden talents and showcase it in front of a wider audience. Talent mixed with knowledge is more powerful in the current scenario. I am happy to learn that those who have participated did research more details about the animals or birds they mimicked before sharing it in the explainer video. The judging panel consisting a biologist, a budding mimicry artist and a nature lover evaluated the entries. Here are the results. Category 1 classes LKG to UKG. Ayush D, UKG B, first position. Alvin Nathaniel, LKG A, second. Padmaroop R, LKG A, third. Category 2, classes 1 to 4. First, Alvin Augustine 3A. Second position shared by Nakshatra Nambudri 2D, Joanna M. Thomas 2A. Third position shared by Aniket S. Nair 4B, Hanna Maria Jacob 4A, Sri Vinayak S. Nair 1A. Category 3, classes 5 to 7. Febin Thomas 5A first, Arjun VK 7B second, Samanyu S. Nair 5C third. Category 4, classes 8 to 10. Abhiya PV 9A first, Joshua Jacob Thomas 8A first, Gauri R. Nair 9B second. I congratulate all winners. In addition, I congratulate Usha teacher in charge of Nature Club for conducting this contest that made children to observe and learn from nature, which is the need of the hour for our mental and physical well-being. Thank you. Stay happy. Stay safe. May God bless you all.
Hi everyone, I am Ayush from UKGB. I am going to make 3 animal sounds. First, lion, king of forest. Roar, roar, roar. Next, naughty monkey. Tick, 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 tick. Next, bird with sweet music. Cuckoo. Zero first. In the jungle, lion roar. Ape is mammal. Sound is wolf. Carnivorous. Sound. name is Alvin Augustine. I am studying in 3A. We are very familiar with a cuckoo. It is a very common bird in our country. During the springtime, a cuckoo is as black as a crow, but it is slightly shorter in size. Has a very long tail. It lives in bushes and trees and eats fruits, worms and insects. A cuckoo is well known as a beautiful song bird all over the world. I am going to make the sound of cuckoo. Next is peacock. Peacock is one of the most beautiful creature of the god, which is feathered. Peacock is a blue-colored bird and its feathers are blue, green and golden in India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Africa. Peacocks are found. Peacock is the male one and peahen is the female. Now I am going to make the sound of peacock. Next, monkeys. Monkeys live all over the world and come in various shapes, size and colors. There are more than 260 different types of monkeys. I am going to imitate the sound of monkey. Monkeys live in trees, grass, lands, mountains, forests and on high plains. Now monkey. നമസ്കാരം. കിളികളുടെ നൃത്തക്കാരെന്ന പേരെടുത്ത പക്ഷിയാണ് മയിൽ. ആകാശത്ത് കാർമേഘങ്ങൾ ഉരുണ്ടുകൂടുമ്പോൾ അതിൽ സന്തോഷിച്ച് നൃത്തമാടുന്ന മയിലുകളുടെ കഥ നമ്മൾ ഏറെ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുമാത്രമല്ല, നമ്മുടെ ദേശീയ പക്ഷി കൂടിയാണ് മയിൽ. എന്നാൽ ആ മയിലുടെ ശബ്ദം നമുക്കൊന്ന് കേട്ടാലോ? പക്ഷികളുടെ ഒരു ജനുസാണ് കുയിൽ. അവ കൂടുകൂട്ടാറില്ല. മറ്റുള്ള പക്ഷികളുടെ കൂട്ടിലാണ് അവ മുട്ടയിടാറ്. കൂടുതലും കാക്കയുടെ കൂട്ടിലാണ് അവ മുട്ടയിടാറ്. കാരണം കുയിലിൻ്റെയും കാക്കയുടെയും മുട്ട ഒരുപോലെയാണ്. ഇരുണ്ട് കറുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ആൺകുയിൽ, അതിൽ പുള്ളിയുള്ളത് പെൺകുയിലാണ്. പക്ഷികളുടെ പാട്ടുകാരാണ് അവർ. കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ കുയിൽനാദം കേട്ട് കൂടെ പാടാറുണ്ട്. നമുക്കൊന്ന് കേട്ടാലോ കുയിലിന്റെ നാദം? തത്തവർഗത്തിൽപ്പെട്ട ഒരു ജനുസാണ് ലവ് ബേർഡ്സ് അഥവാ ഓമന പക്ഷികൾ എന്ന് വിളിക്കും. ഇവയുടെ ജന്മദേശം ആഫ്രിക്കയാണ്. പക്ഷേ 19-ാം നൂറ്റാണ്ടിൽ ഇവയെ യൂറോപ്പിലേക്ക് ഇറക്കുമതി ചെയ്തത് വ്യാപനത്തിന് കാരണമായി. മിക്ക വീടുകളിലും ഇവയെ വളർത്തുപക്ഷിയായിട്ട് വളർത്താറുണ്ട്. ഓമനത്തും തുളുമ്പുന്ന ലവ് ബേർഡ്സിന്റെ ശബ്ദം നമുക്കൊന്ന് കേട്ടാലോ?
ശബ്ദം നിനക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടോ? നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും പക്ഷിപ്രജാതിയെ സ്നേഹിക്കണം. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Hello everyone, I am John. I am Thomas. Today I am going to mimic the sound of an elephant, wolf and a horse. First I am going to mimic the sound of an elephant. Then a few words about elephant. The elephant is the biggest living animal on the land. It looks dark grey and ugly also. It has 4 pillar-like legs, 2 very big ears, 2 small eyes, a small tail, 2 tusks and a long trunk. Then the next is wolf. Then a few words about wolf. Wolves are considered the most intelligent animal on the land. Wolves are spread across forests, mountains and deserts. Wolves are considered to be the largest member of the dog family. Then finally I am going to mimic the sound of a horse. A horse is a tall and strong animal. The legs of the horses are thin but are long and powerful, which help a horse to run fast. Horse has a hairy tail and hairy neck. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Aniketa Snaya, student of Savodha Central Vidyalaya, Class 4B. I am very happy that I have got an opportunity to make sound of wildlife animal through our nature club BioMimics Parade challenge. Here I am going to mimic a sound of a wolf. It's inspired by Jungle Book from the character Akela. Awoo! Here I'm going to mimic a sound of a monkey. It's inspired by the movie Aladdin and the character Abu. And finally, cuckoo. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello all. My name is Hannah Maria Jacob of class 4A and I'm here with the BioMimics Parade challenge. Today I'm going to make a sound of 3 wild animals or birds. So the first animal is a wolf. Ow! Ow! Now I'm going to tell you some facts about wolves. Wolves are a part of the dog family. Wolves do not make great guide dogs because they're afraid of the unfamiliar and will hide from visitors rather than bark at them. A wolf pup's eyes are blue at birth. They turn yellow by the time they are 8 months old. The next bird I'm going to mimic is a cuckoo. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Now I'm going to tell some facts about cuckoos. Though there are 54 species of old world cuckoos, 2 of them live in Europe. Most live in Asia, Africa, and Australasia. The common cuckoo is the only member of the family which makes the cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo sound. Most of the others have loud sounds but totally different calls. The next animal I'm going to mimic is a warthog. Now I'm going to tell some facts about warthogs. Warthogs like to roll in the mud to protect themselves from the sun and other parasites. Surprisingly, They can live for up to 17 years of age. They have tusks like elephants on their upper and lower jaws, which they use to fight and defend themselves from predators. So those were the 3 animals that I chose to mimic. Thank you very much.
I am Sri Vinayak. I am trying to imitate the sound of 3 wild animals. Lion, the king of jungle. It is the symbol of strength and power. It is the laziest of the big cats. Fox is a member of the dog family. They can live anywhere. They can live up to 14 years. They can hear very small sounds. They are more active at night. Cuckoo is a long-tailed bird. The eyes are dark brown with yellow rings. Its typical call announces the spring. Cuckoo lays eggs in the nest of other birds. Lion, the king of jungle. Fox, it is active at night. Cuckoo lays eggs in the nest of other birds.
Hi everyone, today I am here to mimic the sound of 3 wild animals. First of all, wolf. Wolf is a wild animal. It belongs to the canine family. The sound of wolf is called howl. They howl to communicate with each other. I am now imitating the sound of wolf. Secondly, hyena. Hyena is a carnivorous animal. Hyenas are vital components of African ecosystem. The giggle sound of these animals designated as laughing hyenas. Thirdly, cuckoo. A cuckoo is a type of long-tailed bird that is known for laying its eggs in the nest of other birds. Its name was taken from the sound of its call. Now I am imitating the sound of cuckoo.
Good evening all. I am Arjun VK of Class SCV is here to imitate the sound of monkey. Monkey is a notorious animal. It snatches things from our hands. It becomes angry very easily. Next, I am going to imitate the sound of snake. Snake is a reptile. It's a poisonous animal too. There are more than 500 species of snakes in our world. Next, I am going to imitate the sound of a lion. Lion is a king of forest. It's a carnivorous animal too. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening, my respectful teachers. My name is Samani Vasnayak from Sarvodia Central Vidyalaya, studying in 5th C. I am introducing a bird name is cuckoo. Cuckoo are a family of birds. Cuckoo feed insects, insect larvae, as well as the fruits. Some species are brood parasites, laying the eggs in the nest of other species. Now I am biomimicking the bird name is cuckoo. Coo-oo, coo-oo, coo-oo. Thank you. Second bird name is pigeon. Pigeon are a gentle plump little bird with a skin saddle between a bill and a forehead. As they have long wings and powerful flight muscles, they are strong, swift flyers. Now I am biomimicking the sound of pigeon. Thank you. Third bird name is magnificent rifle bird. This bird widely distributed lowland rainforest of Western Guinea and northern Cape York Peninsula. Magnificent rifle bird is evaluated as species of least concern or on the IUCN Red List of endangered species. Now I am biomimicking the sound of the bird. Rip, 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 rip. Thank you.
Good day all. I am Avia PV of 9A. I am here to mimic some of the wild animals in connection with BioMimic conducted by Nature Club. So, first of all, I am imitating cuckoo bird. As you all know, cuckoo bird is a sweet song maker. Cuckoo bird. Next, I am going to imitate cheetah. As you all know, cheetah is the fastest animal. Cheetah. Next, I am going to imitate peacock. Peacock is one of the most beautiful bird and our national bird too. Peacock. Thank you. I hope you all like it.
Greetings all. My name is Joshua Jacob Thomas and I'm studying in class 8A. So today I am making a video on the BioMimics Parade challenge. So the first animal that I would like to mimic is the owl. Hoo, 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 hoo. So here are some interesting facts about the owl. The owl is a nocturnal bird. Did you know that owls have super-sighted hearing and far-sighted tubular eyesight? Owls sometimes eat other owls too. Their flight is very silent. So the next animal that I would like to mimic is the wolf. Ow! Ow! So here are some interesting facts about wolves. Wolves are the largest of the dog species. They generally live up to 13 years of age. Their weight varies from about 40 pounds to 175 pounds. The wolves are a keystone species to nature and they help the environment in many ways. Wolves mainly like to eat big animals like deer or moose. They travel in groups commonly known as packs. These packs together hunt for food and there are about 3 to 20 wolves in a pack. So, the last and final animal that I would like to mimic is the chimpanzee. So, here are
some interesting facts about the chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is actually one of the 4 types of great apes. The chimpanzee and the humans share 95 to 98% of the same DNA. As a matter of fact, the chimpanzees use so much tools that they use tools in a very efficient way. The chimpanzees laugh while they play, and they like eating fruits and nuts. Did you guys know that the chimpanzees can get infected with several human diseases? So those are the 3 animals that I have mimicked. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Gauriya Nair of 90 and I'm here to mimic the sound of some wild animals and birds. The first one is the common cuckoo or Cuculus canorus. It is a brood parasitic bird, which means it lays its egg in the nests of other birds. Its sound goes like cuckoo, cuckoo. The second one is the wolf. It is also known as the grey wolf. It is a large canine native to Eurasia and North America. Its sound goes like ooh. The third one is the leopard. It is one of the 5 extinct species of the genus Panthera. It is listed as vulnerable in the IUCN Red List because of habitat loss and fragmentation. Its sound goes like. So these are some birds and animals that I can mimic. Thank you everyone.